What are you doing?
Making a square.
What you doing up there?
Just doing a bit of measuring.
Really? Why? What are you measuring for?
I'm going to cut another hole.
Another one. Oh.
Need to do a bit of measuring,
Well,
don't
we
we?
made a start on the Max vent.
What?
Just saying that we made a start on the Max vent, love.
The Max vent?
Yeah. Is that what you call it?
Maxfan.
Oh, Max fan. Sorry. Have you cut your hole yet, love?
Huh?
Have you cut your hole yet?
Oh, a little hole right in the centre.
What are you doing?
Cutting a hole in the roof.
Yeah, I know. You're doing it from the top.
Yes.
Well, here we are. Top of the van. And guess what? A Max fan's going in. Yabby dabby doo. Right, here he is. It's a bit hard on these, isn't it, love?
It is.
Oh, I could never be a roofer, you know. I don't do whites.
Just double checking, knowing me. Stupid person.
What have you done?
Oh, bloody pencils down there, though.
Come on, Andrew, you're so disorganised. He's forgotten his pencil. Yeah. I don't think there's any lead in his pencil. Oh, he's back with his pencil. Oh my word. What we got there, Andrew?
Bloody great hole in top of that.
Let's hope it doesn't rain now.
Come on. That's sweeping up done.
Things Cinderella's got to do to go to the baller.
I'm brushing all that splash into the hole because it's got a polythene bag underneath, which we've taped underneath. And that's catching all the swarf. So my little helper's finished brushing, we'll be right.
So, what are you doing now, Andrew?
Just filing it so it's not sharp.
What are you doing?
Filing.
Filing.
You've got no better to do.
You know, he's filing that like he does with his toenails.
Don't tell him, will it? Sitting on the top of my van, staring at a bloody big hole. Right, so all the swarf is in there now. Now then, I'll just go and get that fitted and see if it goes in this hole.
The moment of truth.
No reason why it shouldn't. You clean that.
I have cleaned it, you cheeky sod.
Not as clean as mine, that.
I've cleaned it, love. Want to give it another clean? Well, that's power to the Maxfan.
Fitting in.
And that's what we use the bag for. Collect all the rubbish. Oh! Look what's popped up out at the hole. He's a mole.
We've got an hole in our roof. Right. Better get this sorted.
I think you better add, lovey.
Looks like it might rain.
He's back. So now, Andrew's applying Amaranth. It's had a foul. Now it's going to get painted. You should have been an artist.
I'm a piss artist.
A piss. I was just thinking that. Give us a smile. A miserable trout. So here now, what have we got there, Andrew?
Butyl tape.
Butyl tape, and what do we use that for?
Stop the water. Oh.
We hope.
So this is where we started to build up the layers of butyl tape in between the ridges on the top of the van. The butyl tape we used, we bought that from eBay. It's 30mm wide and 3mm thick. You just have to build it up layer by layer until you reach the same height as those ridges on the top, which is quite a lengthy process. It did take quite a while, but it's well worth taking your time with this one because you don't want any water coming in through there, especially when you've put your ceiling in and everything. So take your time with this one. You know, make sure you cut everything the right length and everything, and it should be fine. Like I say, it did take probably a good half hour to do this, so, but well worth it in the end.
Well, here he goes.
Can you wind it up a bit more from inside,
Yeah.
please? Oh God.
It's not lined up with the holes.
No, it needs to go down. Putting a push on that. He said you just push it down with some wood along there.
Right.
There's a small piece of wood in the van, or down there, one of them. So as you can see here, I've screwed the bottom part of the Maxfan to the roof, all around on top of the butyl tape. Was a bit difficult getting this top part in. It's kind of difficult to get it to line up with the holes, but you just have to persevere with it and just push on it a little bit. We used a piece of wood just to push it down a little bit, but it does go in eventually. Like I say, it is a bit fiddly, but you'll get in there. You can see me using a bit of wood on there just to push it down that little bit to get the screws in. So we got all that fastened in, and after that I just siliconed all around the edges on top of the butyl tape, and that was the Maxfan in. So yeah, well happy with it. It was a good day's work. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, it's free to subscribe, doesn't cost you anything, just helps our channel grow. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.